Alright everybody, here's DearMamaSal and here is the box. Now my challenge is I need to get this box up my stairs. So I've got Wade here and he's going to hold the camera for me while I show you one way to get a box up the stairs if you're on your own. And it is a big box. So all I'm going to do is slide it upstairs. Not try and carry it, because that would be silly. So I'm going to turn the box, and it's all about the angle. And once you've got the right angle, walk it up like this, then you can just slide it up. And all you do is just hold it with your knee as you keep walking up. Now there is a second way, and that is to say, gee, thanks, Wade. Which is what this is all about. Well, hi everybody, this is DearMamaSal and I'm so excited. I have some scissors in my hand and I have that gizmo setup that holds my camera that I found in the dollar store that works like a yes, charm. Wasn't what I was going to say, but it's all right. And behind me, I have the box. Now, what's in the box? That is the question. Let's find out. Number one thing in the box is lots of paper. The second thing in the box is a special adapter that I will show you later, because what you really want to know is what's the big thing in the box, right? Oh. Now what that is, it's one of those chairs, but it's made with a fitness ball. Because what I decided is that what I really need more than anything else is not to lose weight, quite honestly. What I need more than anything else is to improve my core strength, the muscles that are holding me up and the muscles that support me. And all the research I did about the best thing to do for that would be to go to Pilates class, yeah, right, or get myself something that forces me to use my core. Now, I'm pretty sure, because I know me, I'm pretty sure that it's going to be a challenge to put it together, and I know you all want to see me struggle. I understand that. The second thing I'm pretty sure of is that it's going to really make a mess of a lot of my muscles. I'm pretty sure it's going to use a lot of muscles and they're going to scream. And so the first thing I've got to do is to get it put together. And then what I'm going to do is just do a little bit every day, I think, until I find out how much my body can take, how much balance I am capable of. Now, I know that some of you want to see me do it without the support that will keep it fairly steady and to see if I fall flat on my face. I understand that because you're such nice people. And there's part of me that wants to know too, so you know you'll be seeing video of that. But anyway, I don't know if you understand why I got it. I got it because I'm trying to find ways to strengthen my core without necessarily doing, that E word that I hate. And if this works, I thought a lot of you might want to consider it as well. In other words, a sort of passive way of increasing your strength without, balance and without exercise. That'd be good. So, number one step is, can I put it together? We're going to find out.